To connect two different JBL speakers together, first of all, you have to be connected with your first speaker into your device and the JBL portable application. It's available in the Google Play Store on Android and App Store on iOS. Once you are connected, you will have to start playing some music. I just muted this one because to don't get any copyright strikes. And now, when the music is playing, you will have to grab your second speaker. In this video, by the way, I'm using JBL Flip 7 and JBL Charge 6. Turn on your second speaker and click on the Auracast button and do the same on your current speaker. And now, you have to wait until they synchronize. And yeah, we will be connected right now. I'm gonna volume up a little bit for a few seconds. And it actually comes from the two speakers. So that's how can actually do this. It's not showing right here in the application for some reason. There's probably some kind of debug, but that's how we can actually make that work. So it's just quite simple.